some street food here. I'll be crossing this street to walk over to the Vien walking street. So let's explore this iconic walking street together with many locals and foreigners go there also. So it's just about 3 minutes walk from here and we reach the iconic Vien walking street. Someone once told me the bicycle uncle has some services that I don't know what's that about. I can hear myself. Here is a Chinese restaurant, the next one is an Indian restaurant. The rice, and before that is the best banh mi in town. They open until 1 AM, so late. The time now is about 10-15 PM on a weekday evening. Nice hotel. You also can buy fruits, but they are not cheap. I bought once before. More Indian restaurant. Singapore chicken rice. And you can order one day. In one day, the suit, shirt, dresses, or the national costume, the ao yai. There's also a spa here for men and women. You know, in other countries, sometimes they don't accept men as a customer. So in Saigon, we are lucky because they accept both gender. Subscribe and enjoy the video right now and give a like so more people can find the video. Thanks very much. I'll just share a few common scams here. The first one will be the buy one get one free beer is totally fake because after the whole thing, you finish your drink, the staff will ask you to pay for 2 drinks, and second one they'll need to pay another 15% on top of the bill, 15%, so end up paying much more. Secondly, will be the fake motorbike. I mean, unauthorized. The motorbike riders, they'll ask you where you go and then they'll quote you like maybe 500,000 just to go for from here to like District 3 or even District 4 or 7, it's 2 or 3 kilometers away. That is like insane, right? And then sometimes the taxi drivers, they'll just park at the distance here. They'll just see which tourists are easy to prey on, and then they'll ask the same thing where you go, and then they'll give you a fixed price also. Or you can choose a meter, but the meter is totally rigged. It means it's actually it jumps much faster than it actually should be jumping. So every 10 seconds it jumps maybe like 10,000 dong. So in 1 minute it jumps like 60,000 dong. So you multiply by how many minutes you are on in the taxi. Let's say that's about 10 minutes or 20 minutes. That's 1.2 million for like 20 minutes taxi ride. That's insane again, right? And by the way, that's the street food.